Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a package from the British Isles. And I am really excited because I know who it's from. It's from Lorraine at Where the Dolls Dwell. And I saw on the back what's in here, and I am very excited. Lorraine is amazing. If you go watch her channel, she has doll houses, which are, oh my goodness. That's a hobby all in itself, and she is fantastic at it. But right now she is doing, oh, that's not opening. Oh, okay, let me try something here. Right now she's doing advent calendars, and every day she shows some of her dresses, or some of her dolls dressed for Christmas. She makes those outfits, and oh, she can sew, and she can knit and crochet. Oh my goodness. So let's see what's in here. I really am excited because I kind of think I know what doll this is for. I can't thank you enough. Shipping has gotten so ridiculous. I just can't get over what it costs for us to ship out of the country. A little, oh, it is for my Makey. Oh, I was hoping. Dear Mona, a little gift for your new Makey girl. I hope you like it. Have fun with her. I'm sure you will. All the best, Lorraine and Ren. She has a little doll that I have been in love with since, well, forever. Ren, it is a little Makey's doll. She dresses her so cute. She takes her places, including church. And I've loved that Makey's doll. I never thought I'd own one, but I do. Recently I got one. Oh my God, Lorraine. One of her knitted sweaters. Oh, and her buttons are actually buttons. Look at this. Look at the beautiful workmanship. Oh my God, this is, I don't want to pull that too hard. Now that might be a snap. Wait a minute. I got to look at that closer because I don't want to, no, it looks like the same button. I'm going to open that very carefully. Look at this dress. Oh my goodness, look at this with the snap and the lined bodice. Oh, and the workmanship. This is gorgeous. And it looks like a little outfit that Ren would wear. And like I said, I love her Makey's dolls, but Ren has my heart. And I've wanted a Makey since, for a long time, since Ren. And you just can't find them. Let me put this on my girl. Oh my God, does my girl look fabulous? Right up there with Ren. Look at this sweater I just cannot get over. It is absolutely gorgeous. Ren has a lot of sweaters like these. I just can't get over how beautiful the workmanship. Look at that collar and the bottom of that sweater and the sleeves, the finish on the sleeves, the cuffs. Oh my God, and this dress and them two together. Oh, I cannot thank you enough, Lorraine. This is, wow, this is such a special outfit. Like I said, all kidding aside, I never thought I'd have a Makey's doll, and I never thought I'd have one in my hand wearing a dress and a handcrafted sweater from Lorraine at Where the Dolls Dwell. Go by and see Lorraine's channel. It is well worth watching. The craftsmanship in the clothing that she makes for her dolls, I can't get over. I just keep looking at this sweater. Is superb, absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you for thinking of my little Makey's doll, who I named Chickadee because Lorraine has Ren and, you know, a bird name. And so I wanted a little bird name for her. So she is Chickadee. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Oh my God, is this beautiful. Oh, I'm thrilled.